My pond is overwhelmed with water hyacinth. So I am going to take some out and make compost with them. I usually just drop them near my plants and let them decompose there. They act as mulch. This is exactly what I think I am going to do. This is another pond completely overwhelmed with water hyacinth. And now I am putting them next to my plants. As you can see, no need to put in the compost bin. This is how I recycle the water hyacinth. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and share.